Today, I've got something extra special for all the Apple fans out there. CES 2025 might be over, but I've scored the show floors to bring you the most innovative, useful, and downright amazing gadgets that'll take your Apple ecosystem to the next level. From sleek designs to powerful functionalities, these picks are worth every penny. So buckle up and let's dive into the best tech for Apple users revealed at CES 2025. Chapter 1. Kronos Case System, revolutionizing mobile filmmaking. Starting off strong with Kronos, a brand that's quickly carving its niche in iPhone filmmaking accessories. If you love shooting videos on your iPhone, this is a game changer. Their new iPhone 16 line cases not only protect your phone, but also turn it into a film studio on the go. The base is a durable, stylish case available in striking green and orange hues. But it doesn't stop there. Kronos takes modularity to the next level with a MagSafe compatible stand featuring a finger grip for one-handed use. Built-in utility tools like a flathead screwdriver and a mini box cutter, perfect for creators who need to set up on the fly. Powered accessories, including battery grips, cooling hubs, and light attachments. With its seamless integration with apps like Blackmagic, you can control zoom, focus, and more. For budding filmmakers or seasoned pros, Kronos is a must-have addition to your toolkit. Chapter 2. Lexer Portable Storage, built for creators. Lexer impressed with their new armor-grade SD cards and portable SSDs. These are designed with durability and efficiency in mind. The highlights? Metal SD cards that won't crack or break under pressure, unlike traditional plastic ones. The SL500 SSD, now bundled with a silicone grip for added protection. Here's where it gets exciting. The SL500 pairs perfectly with your iPhone. With built-in MagSafe magnets, you can shoot ProRes RAW video directly onto the SSD. It's fast, reliable, and comes in capacities up to 4 TB. For video editors, this setup eliminates the hassle of transferring large files between devices. Chapter 3. Aki's innovative chargers and trackers. Next up, Aki brought two standout products to the table. TrackMate Series, a sleek Find My-enabled tracker that's just 2.2 millimeters thin. With tempered glass on both sides and support for wireless charging, it's a stylish upgrade to standard trackers. Plus, it lasts 6 months on a single charge and includes a QR code for quick identification. 6-in-1 charging station, featuring dual 15W wireless charging pads, an Apple Watch fast charge puck, and additional USB ports. This is a versatile solution for all your charging needs. Adjustable angles and a compact design make it ideal for home and travel. Chapter 4. Welltory app, unlock your health potential. Apple Watch users, this one's for you. Welltory is an app that takes your health tracking to the next level. While the Apple Health app provides raw data, Welltory transforms it into actionable insights using AI and scientific research. With features like stress level tracking, energy metrics, and personalized recommendations, it's like having a health coach on your wrist. Beautiful graphs make complex data easy to understand, and tailored tips can help you reduce fatigue, manage stress, and even stimulate weight loss. Chapter 5. Rolling Square's compact chargers and trackers. At the Rolling Square booth, two products stood out. 65W compact charger, claimed to be the smallest of its kind. This charger is perfect for travel. Its modular design supports multiple international plugs, making it your go-to power source anywhere. AirCard Pro, available in both Find My and Google Find My device versions, this slim tracker includes wireless charging, a built-in siren, and a QR code for sharing contact info. Chapter 6. A Green Thunderbolt 5 dock, seamless connectivity. Ugreen stepped up with their Thunderbolt 5 dock, designed for creators and multitaskers. The dock includes triple 4K HDMI outputs, card readers, and multiple USB-C ports. A sleek design that integrates perfectly with your MacBook Pro setup. Whether you're managing a production or working on a high-end project, this dock delivers unmatched speed and efficiency. Chapter 7. EcoFlow Power Packs, redefining portable power. EcoFlow didn't disappoint with their innovative battery packs. Two products stood out. 10,000 mAh MagSafe battery pack, a slim, durable pack with an integrated USB-C cable and a built-in kickstand for standby mode. River 3 Power Station, a modular power solution with expandable capacity. It includes a Qi charging pad on top, which can be detached and used separately. EcoFlow's focus on functionality makes these perfect for anyone who needs reliable power on the go. Chapter 8. OSnap MCON Controller, portable gaming redefined. For mobile gamers, the OSnap MCON controller is a dream come true. Designed to be pocketable, it attaches to your phone via MagSafe and features Hall effect joysticks for precision, triggers for an immersive gaming experience, a foldable design for easy storage. This controller combines performance with portability, making it ideal for gaming on the move. Chapter Chapter 9. Satechi Mac Mini Hub. Compact yet mighty. Satechi's Mac Mini Hub is a practical upgrade for Apple's desktop users. It brings back USB-A ports, SD card readers, and even an easy-to-access power button. A minimalist design that blends seamlessly with your Mac Mini. With added cooling functionality, it's a smart investment for enhancing your setup. Chapter 10. Moft Find My Wallet. Sleek and secure. Moft's new Find My-enabled wallet is both stylish and functional. Designed to hold 2 to 3 cards, it folds into a stand for your phone and charges wirelessly. With AirTag-like features, you'll never lose your wallet again. Chapter 11. Leifin Titanium Toothbrush. Luxury dental care. Leifin debuted a titanium electric toothbrush inspired by Apple's design aesthetics. With a MagSafe-style charger and softer brush heads, it's a perfect blend of luxury and practicality. While it doesn't sync with the Health app, its sleek design makes it a statement piece for your bathroom. Chapter 12. Belkin Creator Stage Grip for aspiring content creators. Belkin unveiled a creator grip that transforms your iPhone into a content creation tool. This compact accessory includes a built-in shutter button, charging capabilities, a selfie stand for on-the-go filming. For creators looking to up their game, this is a must-have. CES 2025 delivered some of the most exciting gadgets we've seen in years, especially for Apple enthusiasts. From filmmaking tools to health apps, these innovations are set to elevate your tech experience. What was your favorite gadget? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech discoveries. See you in the next video.